What a day today, guys. Today is February the 25th of 2013. What an amazing day and what an amazing last night. Just want to let you know that I'm not a financial advisor, so please consult someone professional to get trading recommendation and get advice. I'm just a guy that looks at charts, Fibonacci levels, spirals, price and time, angles, weird stuff, and make my own conclusion and show you support and resistance. So please consult someone. And let's get right into the chart. Last night I got long at 31.90 and got covered half at 33.13, and I want to show you why I covered at 33.13 and then had to stop at 32.79 and was kind of iffy on this pop that the euro did, and this is the reason why. Right here, this high was 33.10ish, around there. I have the 100 that's coming up here. I got the 20 that's there, and I got the 50, and I have the support at 33.51. This was the culprit, a combination of two things. The CCI 50 and the 20 was in zoom mode on the 12-hour chart, which to me is like a 5-hour chart, and a snapback signal was set in motion when this pop kicked in last night. I went long because I just knew that it was above my 31.88 spiral level. I figured it was gonna get either pop or was gonna tank. So I had a tight stop, and it worked out great. And there was like a signal, a cycle signal that kicked in. I just didn't know which direction it was gonna go. And as of right now, I'm still confused. I don't know if it's still gonna go up, it's gonna recover. But right now, I rode it all the way up there, covered half, and then got stopped out and then was on the sidelines. But this was the signal that gave me the red flag. MMG never even got above the 50, and we had an arrow. Everything was looking good, but then but this was the culprit. This was the culprit to be cautioned on this pop. The next level was that 50 right there in this Fibonacci level right here. This 50 simple moving average. It went all the way up there, found resistance, and came right back down. So those two things gave me a reason why to be cautioned on this pop on the euro, knowing that there was a 50 on the weekly that was strong, nothing showing that it was going right back up. T must sell, nothing going. It's already on the daily. The CCI 50, 20, and the 5 are all in zoom mode. Selling pressure is strong, nothing is positive, and it was just going down. So I figured, let me just jump in and just go on the short side. And so I jumped in today at 31.88 once it got to that price level and shorted it and went all the way down. And guess where I got out and covered for a nice little scalp? I'm going to show you on my 20 monthly grid, which you guys already know. This is where I find the major levels. This was where we were. This is price and time. This is the major resistance, 37.10, and look where it found support at the 30.53. I knew that was going to be support, so I got out. This thing could continue tanking, but as of right now, I can see that this is definitely support. So let's look at the other charts that I wanted to show you, and we go back to the big picture. I just wanted to show you that weekly price and time. Look at this angle right here. It cracked it. It probably is going to climb right back up on it and trend either sideways, go higher, or continue going lower. Let's look at another chart. 20 monthly price and time. This angle right here is of a distance, and that one is the 28.83. So that one we don't have to worry about there yet because we haven't gotten there. Let's see, 20 daily price and time, and it cracked this angle too right here. Look at that. And now it wants to go and retest it and kiss it. So right now, euro's cracking major support levels. Major support levels. Let's go to my 724 low. Look at that. It cracked this level right here. Look at that. Boom. Cracked it. The bears. And then 30.85 cracked it too. Now it's going to go up. And I'll test this right now. Let's look at that 724, 914 high. And look at this, price and time from the 914 high. 4x1, 3x1, 2x1, 1x1. Look at this angle right here. Cracked this right here, 31.97, and cracked the 1x1. A very strong angle. They say that this is the middle of the line. This is the sand in the line. This is what shows either bearish, bullish, or bearish. And look, cracked it with momentum. So Euro is definitely in trouble. Support right now 30.69. It's already at 30.76. So it could probably find support here and just kind of hover, go sideways, go up, or just go sideways and go down. So right now, that's what's going on the Euro. If there's anything else I want to show you, my spiral level. This is the level I was telling you guys about right here, that 31.88. Last night I was like, I'm going to go long. Rode it all the way up. Once I saw it hit the 100 and the 20 on the 12-hour chart and hit that 50 simple moving average on a daily, I was like, I'm going to cover. I'm going to take half off and see what's going to happen. And it just started trailing down and took my stop out and was waiting on the sideline. Once I saw it get over here and then just started cracking this level, I went down to the short side and went all the way down here and covered it here. So right now, this is kind of a resistance. If it's not above already, it's at 30.79. So it could find issues there, and there could find some support all the way down here at 28.99. And mind you, this is a spiral level. This is a totally different kind of indicator. If you're really good at using it, I've got some ways of pivoting it at a pattern that I've noticed that Euro, pretty a lot of the markets that I use this technique, and it works like a charm. Let's look at the big picture. I'm already at 6 minutes, and I've deleted some stuff here, so it's gonna take me a while to find it. Let's go back to the big picture. I'll continue showing some more stuff, but I just want to get straight to the point. Monthly, weekly, daily, 12-hour chart. Let's look at the monthly. We got a TMA sell signal. Bad, very bad. Green Renko candle doesn't mean anything. Below the 50 on the monthly Fibonacci level, so that's not good. It's at 30.75. Fibonacci level is at 33.53, so it's getting weak. TMA sell. Mobile is still there. CCI, the 5 is meeting up with the 20 and the 50, so pretty much this thing could go sideways for a while. We're getting arrows building up on the Fisher on the monthly, not looking good at all. MMG on the 50 cracked. And this is still bullish, so but not looking good on the monthly. Weekly, already we got 3 red candles, PPS signal, TMA red sell, Mobile cracked, MACD red. Looks like it was going to be a snapback, but everything now is just pointing down. Market forecast selling. Fisher, this is one of my favorite indicators. Let me know when things are changing. Sell, very strong. Crack MMG on the 50. Looks like a hockey stick, so it could go up, but as of right now, very negative. This is about to go zero line. Short TTM wave, short-term wave. Blue bars on the daily. Crack the 100. Is dancing around the Fibonacci level, the 61.8 or the 32.8, whichever you want to look at it, depending on how you pivot this. This is the 78.6 Fibonacci. So a lot of resistance up here, and it's just cracking levels. There's the 356 simple moving average. You got the 200 right here. So a lot of stuff is getting cracked. Full moon looked like it just gave energy to the bears. TMA sell signal, got a support, got a cherry here, a green cherry. Mobile cracked. CCS in zoom mode now. Everything is in zoom mode, so the pressure can be strong towards the downside. You have a soap signal buy, but I don't see no arrows. So this could have the possibility of going up, but right now, not looking good. Very oversold. Everything is red. Brown red TTM wave. Cracked the 200 on the 12-hour chart. Failed the 20 and the 100. Pivot point right here, 33.51, which was kind of like a base. Just couldn't even get up there. TMA sell. Red mobile sell. Got the snapback right here. Sell on the market forecast. Got a Fisher buy, which that's what made me think, and that's why I went long, because I saw this. I was like, you know what, this is probably going to build up. The moon is going to be tomorrow. It's going to be some energy, and it did. But when I woke up this morning and saw that this thing was just failing here, that's when I got spooked and covered and saw the snapback signal. Got me scared. MMG couldn't even get to the 50. That's another reason I got out, just because I didn't trust this pop. And then I saw the DX getting bid. Everything, look, and this gave me support too, like it was going to go. And look, we got a brown, still red, squeeze belt here, and it's all building to the downside. So That's what I see, guys. Trade at your own risk. I just see more downside, but you never know. Hope you guys enjoy this. I'll continue posting more videos and more thoughts and patterns that I see on the euro. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Peace.